Welcome to Tech Crumbs, where we break technology into smaller pieces. Today I want to show you how to change your frame rate for video on the GoPro Hero 8. It's very simple. All you have to do is turn on the camera on the side here, and the camera will beep on, and we want to unlock, so press and tap. And then when we go into any of these settings, basically, imagine we're in the standard. Once we click the standard on the right, we have the little pencil. We tap the pencil. You hit here resolution frames per second, and then here, for example, in 4K, you have the options in white of 24, 30, and 60. 24 is currently used, so if I hit 60, it'll turn blue. It won't let me do 120 or 120 or 240, but if I tap it, it'll change automatically to full HD. So right now, I could shoot 240 frames per second in full HD. And if you want to save that, you just press the side on the left, the on-off, and that is set. 1080 pixels, and it's 240 frames per second on the wide lens. That's what it's saying over there on the screen. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Hope that was helpful. See you in the next one.